How to make $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000 a day just by copying and pasting articles online. I'm going to show you how to earn this money without creating your own website, without a credit card, without writing articles. All is for free today in this video. This is totally possible if you can follow my instruction today and watch this video till the end. But before we continue, if today is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, just click on subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, make sure you like, share, and comment on this video. Just comment "Make Money Online," so you will be among our winners for our weekly draw, where we reward our viewers with hundreds and thousands worth of dollars. So try to do these little tasks because I will be happy to see you win. Now, without wasting much of your time, what you have to do is to go to a website called wazazi.com to create your free account. So how are we going to earn money on this website? Wazazi will pay you for every unique article you publish on their site. Not only that, but they will also pay you for doing normal activities on the website, such as liking, commenting, emotions, and every person you refer to the site. Apart from these, you will also make continuous passive income from your articles through affiliate marketing, which I will show you how in this video. It's just like a social media site, but you earn benefit using it. As you can see here, connect with your family and friends and share your moments. You can scroll down to read more about the site. We are not going to waste much time reading these because we are here to make money. So you just have to click on register here and follow the simple process. Enter your username, full name, and your email address, and you're good to go. Right? So after creating your account here, we are going to use another tool called Google Keyword Planner. So what will Google Keyword Planner be going to do for us exactly? For some people who are new to this tool, it's going to help us know our target audience, what are they searching for, and how many are they looking for the information we want to present for them. So after we have gathered this information, then we are going to write to these targeted people who are searching for that information exactly. And whenever they click on a link and make purchases or signups, then we can make lots of money. Do you get it? All right. I know you might have heard about this 1,000 times, but why you failed is because you are not doing it the right way. Or maybe you don't have patience for your business to mature. Believe me, there's no get-rich-quick business online. You must have to work for your money, and then later your money will work for you, right? So let's go back to the video. So why we want to use this tool is because we want to target millions of people to our content online. All right. So this is exactly how you're going to do it, to start generating income online. So when you come here on Google Keyword Planner, you just have to type on Google, a good keyword planner, and you can just register your account with your Gmail account. Is that simple? Before we continue, we need to know exactly the type of product we want to sell to these searchers. So that will take us to these two websites, NutriProfit.com and ClickBank.com. I love these two websites because they have quality products. So let's go to NutriProfit.com. Just click here to register your account. It's very easy to do. Let's log in. Click on Offers. So as you can see here, they have many products we can promote and make a good amount of money. So many types of niches you can start promoting now, and many of them have low competition. That means your content will be seen on Google by millions of people looking for a solution. Now we have to start with one product first. You can promote as many products as you can, but always finish with one first. All right. For this tutorial, let me choose this one. Weight loss, for example. Try to choose low competitive niches. Right. You can do it the same way with ClickBank. So come over to Google Keyword Planner. Then, click on Discover New Keywords. For example, I will search weight loss. Click Get Result. Now choose the low competitive topics like these ones. You must not go with weight loss. There are so many niches you can do this with and still make a good amount of money. Now pick any of these topics and go to the Copy Magic. The link is in the description below. It's totally free to use start with. It's up to you if you want to invest in it. So what this tool will do for you, it will write your articles for you. You don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars writing your articles. So come here on their landing page and click Start Free Trial and create your account with a simple process. Now log in. They will give you some credit to use. You can always create a new account if you don't want to upgrade. You will other things you can do with Copymagic, but you only want to write article, right? Then click on Blog Post Writer. Put your topic and focus keyword down here. Then put your topic in the description box and you can tell the tool what you want it to write. Just be creative and make it simple. Click Next. I hope you can be able to follow the process. But believe Copymagic will write quality articles for you that can be ranked on Google through Wazazy.com. You can also use Quillbot to rewrite any article and post on Wazazy. Just copy the pre-written article and paste it here and press rephrase. And Quillbot will rephrase and give you another version of the article. Is that not amazing? But please make sure you write unique articles, because Wazazy will not pay you if you go and start copying other people's articles and pasting them on their website, and Google will not rank your article either. Hope you understand. Do not joke with this, because if you can do it properly the way I showed you in this video, you will surely smile later, I assure you. Please try to know that you are building a long-term business here. Do not joke with this, because if you can do it properly the way I showed you in this video, you will surely smile later, I assure you. So after you might have your article ready, go to NutriProfits and copy your affiliate link. Very important. Then come here to Wazazy.com. Log in into your account. Click on this plus button here to publish your articles. Make sure you hyperlink your links with the main keywords on your article, because this is the main channel for you to make good money through affiliate marketing. That means earning commissions on NutriProfits and ClickBank. After you have pasted your article, then add your image and make sure you use relevant keywords so you can rank fast, because articles do rank fast here on low competitive keywords. Then finally publish your article. Continue doing this so that you will be earning from the site and earning from the articles too. Make sure you share your articles on social media to help boost your ranking. And don't forget to share your Wazazy referral links for more passive income. So I hope you have some today on this video. But if there is any way you feel I did not teach well, you can comment below and tell me your opinion. Please try to share and like this video, and most importantly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and I will see you again.